Hi there! You have probably already seen our other tutorials that show you how Parago makes your life easier, safer and more convenient. Today I will show you how to set the temperature on your Pg35 portable cooler. First, connect your cooler to a power source. Then shut it on by using the on-off button. Now push the set button. The temperature symbol starts flashing. By using either the plus or minus button, you can adjust the temperature. You can set it to anywhere from plus 10 degrees Celsius to minus 18 degrees Celsius. If you're using the Fahrenheit scale, you can set the temperature from minus 8 degrees Fahrenheit to plus 50 degrees Fahrenheit. And that's it, you're good to go. For more information, check out our other tutorials, follow us on WeChat or Instagram, or visit our Parago website.